Hello viewers. On this video, I will discuss about the power of the mind in influencing our lives. Before that, we have to know first, differences in brain and mind. The brain is one of the organs in our body, can be likened to a brain like a flash, that we can hold and see clearly. While the mind is different. The mind is part of the brain, there but not visible. Like a flash, you can fill it with the program, or any stored data. You will never know. Fill in the flash disk before opening it using a laptop or computer. Like the flash disk earlier, you can know that the thought exists when you use your brain to think. So that you will know that the thought exists, but not visible. The mind we can control, just like the rest of our body. Hands, feet, ears, etc. The parts of our body are created to make it easier for us to do activities. And so with the mind, can be used to help us live life with ease. When we think about something, then it means we use our minds. Why must we be able to control our thoughts? Due to positive or negative thoughts will affect our daily life. For example, about relationships with family, friends, or work. As an example, if we often watch dramas about sad things, so oftentimes we will see sad things come to us. Or if we often see news about hateful provocations, then our mind will be filled with hatred. Vice versa. When we often think positively, and take lessons from the events around us positively, then we will get things around us more beautiful and fun. Okay viewers, that's all the discussion this time. Follow our next videos about how to control thoughts so that our life becomes easy and fun. Thank you for watching. See you in our next videos.